Ableton Techno producers, your track lives or dies by the kick and rumble, so start yours sounding like this. It sounds solid now, but I actually started from this. In the next 5 minutes, you'll see how to layer kicks for real punch, tune your rumble so it locks perfectly, and with only a couple of pro plugins like Box and Amek console, give your low end the weight it needs to move the crowd. And stick around for the last step, that's where I show you the volume optimization trick that keeps your mix loud without crushing it. Start with a kick sample that has a solid low end thumb. I'm tuning mine to F0 at around 44 Hz, sitting at -20 dB. The top kick is tuned to F1 and I'm adding a bit of saturation and isolating the 201 kHz band for bite and attack with EQ8. I'm routing both into a group, monoing with utility, adding overdrive for character, and a touch of compression with Native Instruments solid dynamics to make it smack a bit harder. Plug an Alliance clipper on the chain just for monitoring transients and aromas. This step makes your low-end groove instead of clash. I'm using an Ableton FX Rack for the rumble and tweaking the room size knob until it resonates at F, the same key as our kick, and I'm checking with Voxengo Span to confirm the note. Now that the rumble is in key, let's give the low end extra depth. Time to make this kick and rumble feel powerful on big systems. Loading up the Black Box AGQ harmonic generator, this adds warmth, grit, and weight to the low end. Here's how this kick and rumble start to feel more alive in the mix. Now for the finishing touch, I'm using the Amek channel strip with the bass drum preset, adding just a touch of compression for extra smack, and then adjusting the output to keep the levels consistent. Since you made it this far, here's the bonus tip you love: loudness optimization. When you AB, watch RMS for perceived loudness so level doesn't fool your ears. Use peak to manage headroom. In this session, before the Amek channel strip, the kick's peak sits around -9 dB. After the Amek channel strip, the peak drops to about -16 dB. That's 7 dB more headroom. Now I can raise the output until the bus reads around -10 dB. And that's it. Now you've got a rock-solid techno kick and rumble you can build your whole track on. And if you want to take your drums even further, check out this video on parallel processing. It's the secret to making them slam. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more underground techno production tricks. See you in the next one.